The West Castle, all the bill there clear. Even the by-election already paid. Why? What about the revoy? Why vote for the revoy? That we want to know. No, we won't accept that what you said, sir. Because we have come to you also. I have come personally for the COVID bill, for the election bill. But you didn't give us the clear answer. You said 1 week, and then you after that, then you said 10 days, then 1 month. We won't accept that. So we'll say when we'll receive the money, when we'll have them.
Hadin ke jinglet kenduk ke ba arsin bat la IT ke dorkas ya Deputy Commissioner Ribhoi District hau benai naitung mentakas ngi ke shitarik nailar arhajar arpaulai ke kinhun kinongnya kali kamai hapo ke syatri jong ke Joint Action Committee jong ke all Ribhoi Passengers Vehicle kilalit ban penyeng yaki kali ke jongki ha office jong Deputy Commissioner ke Ribhoi District ringkat ki jingdawa baka sorkar ka dei ban pentikna ban pelat kloy ya ke pisah bai kali ha ke baka sorkar kala pendan kami ki kali ki jongki ha ki duty election bat covid khat khandai kumban chupen kin mau ka Joint Action Committee kala let ban bu e ka dor khas hakmat u Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoi District ha ka khat reu tarik jemang bat ru ha ka sen ka ba ar ha ka santarik naitung arhajar ar phaulai ha ka bana kaliang u DC ka Ribhoi ula kular ban pelaj no hapo khat sansngi henry kinongnya kali ki klem yo satya ya kata ka pisa kumta kilalet ban yakhi menta kasngi hakmat ka office u Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoi kakin hun jongki driver kim kwa shu banrung ban yakren syapo ka kamera henry kilapha ban mi yau DC na kamera jong u ban yakren markmat batki ha ka bau DC ulah hab ban mi na ka kamera ha ka jingsen ran lang daki majistor batki he pulet ban yakren markmat batki ni ki kin hun nongnya kali kamai Wat hadien ka jingmi jong udisi ban yakren henry kam syam la penhun yakini kinongnya kali namar baki kwa ban yo sngow ya ka tarik ka batikna balano kinyo e ka pisa ka baki dehok ban yo penban udisi ulah panpor ban yakren shua batki officer ki banajrong na kaliang ka kinhun jong ki driver bat kinong syong dukan kila hun ya kane ka jingkular udisi bat kila berngam ru baha kane ka sin ka bamenta lada udisi un pensa teng biang ya kane ka kam na kaliang kane ka kinhun kan beteng biang ya kan ke jingeki da ka bakham ting e
you provide us everything like how we provide the food the everything during election you provide us everything no we bear enough sir we bear enough from the beginning we can
we have given you how many times our memorandum
so long
you have said that I have talked with the CEO will take responsibility then why the CEO is still silent and then he is not taking any initiative, sir.
No, sir. CEO,
if we take initiative, this thing won't happen, sir, today. We don't want to come and to gather here.
Time, sir.
We also.
CEO, sir, is taking up this issue today. Just like I told you, he's having a meeting today also. Right now, I think.
You have a meeting, sir, because we have come.
Today you have meeting, but all the things come to you why there's no meeting. Why you don't talk about that then?
But I assure you that payment will be there.
I think exact.
I can give you exact thing which but for some
the West Castle, all the bill there clear. Even the by-election already paid. Why? What about the revoy? Why vote for the revoy? That we want to know. No, we won't accept that what you said, sir. Because we have come to you also. I have come personally for the COVID bill, for the election bill. But you didn't give us the clear answer. You said 1 week, and then you after that, then you said 10 days, then 1 month. We won't accept that. So we'll say when we'll receive the money, when we'll have them, we'll have to talk. Now you will talk about it. Long time you should have talked.
No,
sir. No, we won't accept that, sir.
But we cannot give you any timeline.
See, sir, this is what is this? This is life. This is our life. We earn money from here. We eat from here. We provide for the house for the family with this money, and you are doing us like we are.
it's not as if I am not paying your bills.
So, as
We won't accept that. You say that we'll have the meeting.
election
No, we won't
is
accept that.
already sanctioned before the election only from the central government. The money is already sent to the state government. Then why the state government till
Why
now,
don't
till
the
date?
district got?
For Rivoi district, the funds which were allocated have been completely utilized. State election department, the CEO office, whatever funds they had, they have already utilized during elections. So we do not have any funds. That is why we have to go for additional sanction of funds. Once we get the additional sanction of funds only, then we will receive the payment, then we will give you payment. As of now, the district is not having any payments, any amount, any fund to pay.
Why the other
We
district they
understood
got?
that, but this last
More? Boleh give me kita
past
video.
months, so many times we come to talk.
Why for the by-election
From
they
the
got?
office didn't take a very straight initiative.
I know. We have had several meetings regarding this here also. Come to me 2-3 times. I have assured you. Today right now also I have discussed with CEOs. I was having a call with him. And he has assured me that today only they are having a meeting regarding the budget. There are 2-3 other districts also which they are facing similar issues.
We won't accept that, sir.
Sementara kasi daga jingso Sofia ke bajur na kaliang ke Joint Action Committee All Riboi Passengers Vehicle mentah kasi ila sangya ya kamai kaji baro ikali ke jungi ila yawan ban penpau ya kedak jong ke jing Sofia ke jungi anne pelau jong audisi ke jingwan ke jungi bangi pep ya kamai kaji kalor kalong halor ke jing bomyo ya ka bil ke jungi kata nadu ke bil COVID-19 kumjuru ke bil jong election MLA badang sudapshan ke na kapor sa kapor na kaliang ke JAC nilayawan bani kendu ya audisi banpan bani bandawa ya kahok ke bangi day banyo henrei na kaliang audisi usu aipor panpor si panpor badu aipor bu tanggi jingkular henrei hadu kini kisni nimyo ya kata ke bil ke badangsa day halor kene daga jing susi bata jing Sofia mentah kasmi sa jisin ngilawan lengba ka jing sangya ikali kamai jungi baro banwan ni kendu banyakran ya audisi namar kapor ke bau ai kalakut mentah kasmi nilayo banyakran bat audisi ba kadawayu ba penslam ya kapisa ke badangsa bat balai klam burom ya kapor ke ba ngila ai na kaliang audisi ulayatu ini ba kapisa kamsyong tang kabor ka jong namar kapisa wahaban penlaj CEO nate na po silong ngila keliru yu ya kadaw mano ban bakli lane mano ba penslam ya kata kapisa rei ka jubat ka bang yo na u kalong ba kadehi na CEO kana kaliang audisi ulaya keren bat CEO bat chief secretary ban yatai halor kane ka benta ka bangi ki driver ngi kendu tenda wadat ya keren bat CEO bat chief secretary wang ba unsa penlaj no kloi kat bala ya ka pisa ka badangsa tena kaliang ka jungi ngila dawa ya u bangi muhun ya ka por ka ba lane ya kata ka jingi keren ka bau ai henrei udai ban ai ngi ka por ka ba tikna ba adu kan nos ngi kan simpor ya kata ka pisa ban penlaj dei halor ka jing bamun ka jungi ane ka jing yai dawa ka jungi na kaliang audisi ulai por biang mentah kasni nadu kane kasni hadu khatsan sni baun penlaj lot ya kapisa kata kapisa kabil COVID-19 kumjuru kabil jong election snam arajar apply de na kaliang ka jungi nila menjur ya kata kapor ka bau ai khatsan sni bat min ap sitom kumangila yaya baru si kata in pun benar ada kilat jingeki kibakan tengya bat nila keren lu lada ngin ya ka jingeki ka batengya ka jingba kali hapshim ke district administration na kaliang ka jungi ngin hapshim ke jingba kali henrei ke district administration ka hap banshim ke jingba kali we try kali ka chong kat kum ke duty kumba men hakimer wala de betu don ki kali ki bangat lai tayo don ki kali ki bangat si benai don ki kali ki bangat si laisni don ki basa lai pawajar don ki basa san pawajar don ki basa da kilang namar kabil ka pisa ba khambun ka dei jong COVID-19 nomor kabil lang tu dakilak nisa de kata ka ba bu yang ni pedang ka jingya namar kum ki babu i kali kamai ni haban renew ya ki kwat kislagi jongi tengi kermen ba lada yo kabil menekane ban renew andre kabil men yo ila susim da karam ka sya ban penim ikot kisla kali ke jengi endang ila yo ke bil in sa siupat na kita gi bru ki bangi simram andrei ka jing penslam banyo ke bil ka bu jingi yangi ila chata gram na kita gi bru ki bala ai pisai yangi kata ke jingi ke bangi kudu
ya kaliang jong tinong yo dukan mo kantin hakani ka election ngidong ko bakan artli eki kantin kibangi ai penbiang kabam gadi nak benta kiba don di election dan rega basusi long bahadu menta ngidang yo ka pisatang san po hajar hau bana Januari hari hadu menta ngi klem yo ngilawan bani kendu la arsin laisin ngilawan lang tang ngila ai ka jing thoru hau bana April sai DC te hang taru ilong ini ai por arteo tinggal ap dan rega mlong kam ka taru tingilawan biang ngilan ai biang ka jing tho sakui pat shau CEO shau DC bat kunjuru sabaro ki MLA jong karib hoy bakin pen kran lem da kabanta jungi namar babun mengi ginong bu dukan ngi sak de ram mo hakinong ai roson ki ba ai do yangi ki ba ai ki jing dom kam jungi ki ba dapat bangin siu ka bainong trei kunju te Henry kata ke jing ai jungi kata kopi shau CEO rodu mantangin tip yo khobori tip kalong kumno ka yai kumno ru jadi kata tena kalian jungi dan kata mentaga swing ngitip kawan ke JSC tena kalian jungi lu kumki dong bukan tin ngiawan ban ya support lang kata bang ngitip adio ka pisa te ngimentip kalong lala ka jong kidukan mo kidon kidukan kiba poi san ko tam don kidukan kiba poi arko lai ko don kiba poi di kiko don poi di kikat punta lala ka jong mo
Kedulang kung ka
Tengi la kali ni di si ti ong ba ai por kat san sni tengi hap up ya kata kat san sni la kata kat san sni la kam si so tengi ban se ba mangi tengi na join lang ba kani ke JC bangin penpai ke jinga ki nak benta begin dawai kani ka ok juni okay
This last time also we have submitted data memorandum to you. We have given 7 days of time. But it's now more than 7 days, 3 weeks. But still now there is no response from your food officer. So us in the problems, then we want from you that give us a clarification, the reason for delaying our bills. So from your side, we want a clear clarification in front of the media person, in front of all our members. So this is our demand.
See, I've received a memorandum from your side, and we have had a meeting earlier also to 3 times. And to all your members also, I would like to tell you that you have raised up this issue a lot of times, and every time I have told you that try to clear the payments. So I'll tell you this issue has happened because see, the funds which we received, they were not sufficient enough, and we have asked for additional funds from the CEO office also. Like I have told you earlier also, it's a long drawn process. It will take some time because the file has to go to the finance for allocation, for budget and allotment will happen, funds will come. So just now also I had a discussion with CEO sir, and CEO sir has assured me that all those people who are there in the process of getting the additional funds, so they are taking it up very expeditiously. And I give you my assurance that as per the discussion with the CEO sir, that your payments will be cleared very, very soon, and whoever is there in the all the stakeholders who are there in the line of command, so they are all aware of the issue. There are several other districts also who are facing similar kind of issues, so the CEO office is taking it up. As and when we will receive the funds, the payments will be cleared as expeditiously in the first months.
So sir, can you tell us who?
So what we are trying to do is right now, like within 15 days, we will clear some of your payments partially. Remaining payments will be done as soon as possible. Okay. So
All the payments of COVID-19 and then this election.
COVID-19 and Republic Day Independence Day will be done.
So we want that all the dues must
Those
be
will be
paid.
done. Those will also be done 15 days. And your election payments also partially we will try to do within 15 days only will be done. Remaining payment will be done as soon as possible.
Suppose if within 15 days you won't receive, then what is the assurance from the side?
let's go
I'm giving you no assurance.
Suppose
Already
15
discussed
days.
with CEO sir and Chief Secretary sir. I don't think all of them are already aware of the issue. So they will clear some of your payments.
Some, not all.
Ma'am, it will take some time. and within 15 days we'll clear your payments partially. Remaining payments will be done as soon as possible.
It's our request. If it is possible, sir, just talk with the CEO and the chief secretary that clear all the bills.
I'm having a meeting with them.
All the bills once only. Because
No, sir, we're not going
15
to
days
accept
will
that.
wait, then some of the bills will
15 days, then again another bill. We won't accept that, sir.
No, it will be done as soon as possible.
No,
So now, please.
MP, Kimra Arabat I send item.
just clarify to the driver, sir. Jai so bro, khatsan singi ngin am. Lada hapo khatsan singi ngim yo, ngin simpat da kuwai kerai. Nomor haner kondor ni rakap sangi hapi ban am. Sangi hap ban am. Khatsan singi ngin am. Lada hapo khatsan singi ngim yo, ngin simpat da kuwai pat kilat ng yaki kan. Karena kalau ka bajai ngin sale pat da kuwai.
Đây cũng tao cái xe là ông bà khát sẵn ski clear kat bala ada hadin khát sẵn ski sampai ông cũng ta. Ta kata
Orang mau kita kemudian clear ni kajing dawa jungi kadai ban pen clear lut ya kebil kajungi. Ngin katsan singi ngin am. Ngilaya isya katus ngi. Tengin isya katsan singi. Ladang ngim yo apu katsan singi ngin sasimpat daki wei pat kilap singi ki bekam tengnya kan. Bat COVID-19, bat independence, bat Republic Day, baru.
Kalau kita ladangi apa sebentar bentuk yang nomor pisah pertama hati.
Ka chapang ka jingthok piom dan kam ku slide ni media ki don ane ka proof ka don dan kam ri ka return statement
tambah pun clear saya kata khát sẵn ski clear
to katsan singi na kaliang ka jungki ngin burom ya katangi kepat ya pi apa bodang sutu ka jingye katsan singi ki laong to ngin hak kata katsan singi ngin hak kata katsan singi adun katsan singi ni le kan
bisa jolok nak undang ah
bisa
kena kata kena keren saya bisa.
They want within 15 days all the dues must be clear.
So within 15 days we'll try to clear as much as possible.
Because they are not satisfied. If you said you will try, then
No, 15 days we will give you some partially payment as much as possible. Remaining payment will take payment more. See, I have already told you the whole process that has to be followed up. The government process.
We already made enough time.
We have received assurance from CE Secretary and CE. Please humbly request you, do not disturb the public office. People are coming here for their things long time. See, I have given you an assurance. I understand your problem, but I have given you assurance that within 15 days we will try to clear payment partially. After that, also we will clear. Everyone is in the room. Everyone knows. Everyone is aware of the issue. Okay, and they will clear our payments. I'm just asking you for 15 days. Within 15 days, this is my assurance. They will clear your payments partially. Remaining payment will be done immediately soon after that. This is what I'm trying to tell you. So now I humbly appeal all of you, kindly do not disturb the office. It's a public office. 15 days of time I'm asking from you. Kindly, please, it's an humble appeal. People come to this office from a long, cover a lot of distance, spend a lot for their work to be done in the DC office. Okay, this is not the right way.
Just for 1 day, sir. Just for 1 day.
they are coming from very long.
Yes, I understand.
Just for 1 day.
See, I understand, but this
They
is
have
what
lost just to stop our
Yes,
vehicles.
I
One
know.
day also it's a great loss.
I know this, but I'm asking you for 15 days and clear your payments partially in 15 days. I have got this assurance from the CEO sir, from Chief Secretary sir. This is what I'm trying to explain to you. The whole process of the funds and all that I have already explained to you.
Okay, sir, we will try from this side to clear all the bills.
All the bills, sir. Within 15 days, clear all the bills. Then we'll keep
They
quiet.
want to get then they must
Ini kong darah khatan ski siu waktu di basio di balayot islam
we
jam
also
kete.
want to say clearly in front of the people.
Di babio bete ki kila dulu ngam.
I will have a meeting with both of you.
Tapi dia lut be.
Discussion.
Ciling nang.
Clear some of the payments. Remaining payments will be done as soon as possible.
As soon as when we don't know, sir.
Now please I request you, kindly
No,
let
we
the
will not
office
accept
function
that.
properly.
Okay, we will not accept that. But if you clear within 15 days, then only. Otherwise, another 15 days, 1 month.
clear the bill partially also make sure that
Kung
all
may
the
application sini nama dia punya clear
all the vehicles. If my vehicle is another, they will not get and they will create an issue.
Try to raise up
Make
the
sure
department.
all the vehicles according to the list of acquisition, all the vehicles get surrendered. Te biang katsan si nai puan.